Thank you, Akanksha. Manoj ji, Director, IIT Jammu, Professor Sarkar, Senior Professor, IIT Jammu. I am indeed very lucky and pleased to be here today this evening to attend the first convocation of this third generation new IIT. You may be aware that there are 23 IITs. The original were 5, and then the government decided another batch of IITs, and then this is the third batch where Jammu is one of the youngest among the IITs. We are very proud that our first batch is coming out successfully. The first convocation, as Akanksha just mentioned, is going to be held in a hybrid mode, which means there would be physical attendance as well as online. We expect out of 79 passing students, about 38 students and their parents to be on the campus, and other students will receive their certificates in a live convocation stream arranged in the institute. The design theme of the ceremony has been inspired by the art and culture of Jammu and Kashmir, due to which the traditional convocation robes have been replaced with firhans and pakols. The chief guest of the institute's first convocation ceremony are Dr. Arogya Swami Paul Raj, Professor Emeritus from Stanford University, and Mr. Guru Charan Das, who is a celebrated author and columnist. Mr. Das also headed Procter & Gamble, and as a CEO, I am sure most of you are aware about this large corporate which makes a lot of branded consumer products. Professor Paul Raj is a Padma Bhushan awardee, Indian American electrical engineer who has been credited with invention of multiple entry and multiple output and for wireless called MIMO, which is now used as a heart of Wi-Fi, 4G and 5G communication systems. Professor Paul Raj has revolutionized high-speed wireless services for billions of people. We as Indians are very proud of his achievement. The institute will confer BTech degrees on 79 students from mechanical engineering, computer science engineering and electrical engineering who started their journey at IIT Jammu, Polora campus in 2016. I would say they are the pioneer students who were one of the first students to be courageous enough to join a brand new IIT coming up. The first batch of these IIT Jammu graduates are now working professionals who will be joining the event from around the country. The journey of these graduates is special in more ways than one, since they completed their graduation amidst difficult times in the Union Territory, followed by an abrupt exit from the campus due to COVID pandemic. The first batch started their journey from the humble campus at Polora and went on to shift to the beautifully developed and technologically equipped phase 1 of permanent campus in Jatti. I must tell you here that IIT Jammu campus is in a lush green forest and one of the most beautiful campuses among all the 23 IITs that are there. Area-wise, it is 411 acres, a little bit smaller than the Bombay campus, which is 523 acres, but it is far more green and we hope to keep it that way. The institute will also be unveiling IIT Jammu Convocation 2020.com to honor the efforts and grit of its first batch. As I told you, they are pioneers like the American pioneers who conquered the West. The website is a forever place for the students in the internet. The website will have downloadable photos of students from the graduation ceremony, online video backgrounds, Facebook frames, and all their memories from time in the institute. The institute will also award its best performing students with President's Gold Medal, Director's Gold Medal, and 3 institute silver medals at the convocation ceremony. So this is in brief about the first convocation, a historic event for IIT Jammu, a historic event also for the great temple city of Jammu, and we are committed to take IIT Jammu to a greater heights, to make it one of the best institute of higher technical education in northern India. So with these few words, I would be happy to take any questions. I and my colleague director would be happy to take any questions, and we would try our best to resolve all your queries. Thank you.
This convocation 9th of January 2021 को जगती कैंपस में हाइब्रिड मोड में ऑर्गेनाइज किया जा रहा है। इस कन्वोकेशन में 79 डिग्री अवॉर्डेड एंड 5 मेडल्स अवॉर्ड किए जाएंगे। इस फर्स्ट कन्वोकेशन के चीफ गेस्ट आरोग्य स्वामी पॉल राज, प्रोफेसर एट स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, जो माइमो के इन्वेंटर हैं, अपना भाषण देंगे। एंड श्री गुरुचरण दास, जो फॉर्मर CEO ऑफ प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल हैं, वो उसका अपना कमेंसमेंट स्पीच देंगे। एंड दिस कन्वोकेशन शेल बी चेयर्ड बाय द चेयरमैन ऑफ बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स IIT जम्मू, श्री शरद कुमार सराफ, जो खुद ही एक IIT बॉम्बे के सेल्फ मेड एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट। इस कन्वोकेशन को हाइब्रिड मोड में किया गया है। 38 बच्चे इन पर्सन आएंगे और बाकी बच्चे ऑनलाइन अपनी डिग्रियों को प्राप्त करेंगे। थैंक यू।
कि पूरे स्टाफ ने बहुत कोऑपरेट करके और बहुत इनोवेटिवली, बहुत अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करके इसको हाइब्रिड मोड में ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। और इन्होंने इस तरह से किया है कि जो प्रथा, जो ट्रेडिशन ये बना रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं, वो सारी कंटिन्यू रहेगी। ये सबसे बड़ा इसका उपलब्धि है कि जो इन्होंने जैसे ड्रेस सिलेक्ट की है लोकल, तो वो कंटिन्यू रहेगी। एक वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, हर साल एक वेबसाइट बनेगी हर बैच के लिए। मैं अभी डायरेक्टर साहब को बता रहा था कि मैं बॉम्बे IIT से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ पिछले 50 साल से, और अब मैं उनका बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स का मेंबर भी हूँ। तो वहाँ भी ये प्रथा नहीं है। तो ये एक यहाँ की एक बहुत बड़ी क्रिएटिविटी है कि एल्यूमिनाई को कैसे जोड़ते हैं, और इसके माध्यम से हर एक एल्यूमिनाई जुड़ा रहेगा। हमारे बॉम्बे IIT में भी हर एक एल्यूमिनाई जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है, सारे मेंबर नहीं हैं, लेकिन इसमें तो वो ऑटोमेटिक हो जाते हैं। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी इनका अचीवमेंट है, उपलब्धि है। और ऐसे ही इन्होंने जो ये कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया है, वो एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण कदम है जम्मू IIT के लिए।
थैंक यू।